Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, start by opening up your Temu application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now, if you want to remove the limit, click on New option at the bottom of your screen, and then you just need to click on your support on the top right. Here, click on Contact Us on the bottom of your screen. Now the message you need to type is following. First of all, remove checkout limits. Then this will going to give you some details. So you just need send no, I still want to remove the order limit. And then this will going to give you some information again. You just need to send remove the restrictions, and then you just need to follow the on-screen instructions and click on remove the restrictions. And this will going to notify you that your order amount has been canceled, and you are all set to proceed with the payment. So you just have to click on the continue to checkout. And if you have a large amount of orders, you will be able to check out easily. So that's basically how you can remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.